While technically not yet unveiled, the Toyota Land Cruiser Mini 2024 has already captured the imagination of off-road enthusiasts and budget-conscious drivers alike. Touted as a smaller, more accessible sibling to the legendary Land Cruiser Prado and 4Runner, this compact SUV promises big things in a pint-sized package. Drawing inspiration from the classic Land Cruiser lineage, the Mini is expected to retain the rugged, go-anywhere spirit while sporting a sleek and modern design. Think FJ Cruiser vibes condensed into a Corolla Cross-sized package. Rumors suggest a boxy silhouette, round headlights, a nod to the heritage, a rear-mounted spare tire, and chunky off-road tires. Engine options remain under wraps, but whispers point towards a variety, including hybrid and electric versions. This caters to both eco-conscious adventurers and those seeking the fuel efficiency of a smaller vehicle. Traditional gasoline engines are also likely on the table, ensuring a well-rounded powertrain lineup. Of course, a Land Cruiser wouldn't be complete without impressive off-road capabilities. The Mini is expected to boast a four-wheel drive system as standard, along with features like high ground clearance, a durable suspension, and advanced traction control. Imagine tackling challenging trails, navigating muddy paths, and conquering rocky inclines with confidence, all in a vehicle sized for tight city streets. The interior is anticipated to be surprisingly spacious and comfortable, considering the compact dimensions. Cargo room should be ample for weekend getaways or outdoor gear, making the Mini a versatile choice for everyday life and weekend adventures. Tech-savvy features like a touchscreen infotainment system and a suite of safety features are also expected, keeping you connected and protected wherever the road takes you. The price tag is rumored to start around $20,000, making the Land Cruiser Mini a highly competitive option in the compact SUV market. This affordability, coupled with its legendary lineage and exciting capabilities, has the potential to turn the Mini into a major success for Toyota. While the official unveiling is still shrouded in mystery, late 2024 is the anticipated timeframe. A Japanese release in the second half of the year is on the cards, with a possible 2025 arrival in the United States. The Toyota Land Cruiser Mini 2024 has all the makings of a game changer. It promises off-road prowess, modern amenities, and affordability in a compact package, appealing to a wide range of drivers. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or simply seeking a capable and stylish SUV for everyday life, the Mini is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Stay tuned for the official reveal and prepare to be swept away by this exciting addition to the Land Cruiser family.